Dear customers, today I would like to show you how to pair the wireless keypad with the different brands receiver. You will see this is an Chamberlain receiver with purple button. First of all, you need to find the opener ID from brand table. 03 Chamberlain, purple button. So it belongs to type 2. You need to do the type 2 pairing procedure. First step, confirm. Second step, 59, confirm. Choose any of two channels. For example, first channel, confirm. And choose the opener ID you have taken. 03, confirm. From this step, that means you have finished the brand setting. And now, you need to pair with wireless keypad to the receiver. Press the learning button from the receiver. And insert the first channel pin code. Yes, that means you have finished the brands comparing. We will try to control. See, it works.